Now, first off, I want you to catch and see one. This is based on contract law. It's not a definition that you get to define. Doesn't matter if you use the same loan number, different loan number, that's internal record keeping. It's contract law. I like to say is if I've got loan A here and I'm going to replace that, I'll use a different color with loan B. So this one's gone and this now stands, then that's a refinancing under contract law. It's satisfied, it replaced, it extinguished. That's the word you want me to use. Versus, let me just, I've got loan A here. Well, let me do it the other way. I've got loan A here and I attach something to it. Loan A is still alive, but we tweaked it, we modified it, we extended it, whatever you want to call it, not replacement, not satisfying. That's the word you'll see up in bold print at the top of C. So that's the first thing. Is it being satisfied, replaced, extinguished based on contract law? If yes, that's one of the criteria. The second one up there still again in the very top is that both the old and the new loan have to be dwelling secured. Now here's the little 400 level for you. They don't have to be the same dwelling that secures both the old and the new. It's kind of a strange twist. And then the third one is actually look down at the very bottom. It talks about the same borrower. There has to be a common borrower. So I put up the criteria on your screen now. Where do we see that? Divorce cases. So my now ex-wife and I, or my wife and I were going through divorce, and I own 100% of the house. She owns 100% of the house. The idea is that I'm not buying out her half. I'm getting a loan to remove her from this debt that we were on, and now I'm going to be on. So there's one borrower in the old loan that is still in the new loan. And if that's the case, then we're going to say that that meets that criteria. So there's 3 yeses that you have to come up with here. Now, again, contract law is really what it's about. It's not about how you classify them in the sense of loan numbering or anything like that. The other part is we get into 2A here, that you can have one loan that replaces more than one. So for instance, let's say I have a $60,000 loan and a $40,000 loan with you, loan A and B, and we wrap them together and make loan C for $100,000. 2 replaced by 1, contractually satisfied, replaced, same borrower, they were dwelling secured. So is this one? Yes, yes, yes. That's a refinance. We can go the other way. We could have multiple loans that replace a single loan or a line. But let's just say that we have a $100,000 loan and I'm having some, cash flow issues. And so you break that into a 60 and a 40. The 2 of them replace this one. So loan A, 100,000, loan B, 60, loan C, 40 are replacing or refinancing that loan A. Again, same criteria. These new loans or lines are wiping that out. We've got the dwelling secured on both sides. We've got the same common borrower.